What you're looking at is my peppermint. It has come back this year. It's so wonderful. Let's go look at some other herbs that decided to grow back this year. What you're looking at is oregano. It came back this year as well. And one of my favorite, lavender. It came back this year. And this is chocolate mint. It came back really good this year. It's amazing, amazing. And we have sage. It's doing really well. It came back from last year. Then we have a little bit of some thyme. It's coming back. Now let's take a look at lemon balm. All right, my lemon balm bushes are coming back really good. I love to make tinctures out of this. It's really good for stress. So overall, everything's doing good. I didn't have to plant anything. I got some stuff I'm gonna plant, but everything from last year came back on its own. Look at this, guys. Blackberry bushes are starting to come back this year. They were planted last year. I am so excited.